Hello everyone, this is James here again with another awesome video. Now here we're going to look at this particular company for rebuilding credit. Now I received an offer in the mail so I decided to go ahead and apply for this particular credit card. So they talk about second chances, rebuilding your credit. Okay, so let's look at some of the terms here. What does this card offer? So it's, number one says it's great for credit building. Here are the interest, the APRs, what they will charge in interest. It says it's secure, and they do offer credit limits. Now keep in mind this was an unsecured card. Okay, they do offer secure cards, but I went with the unsecured card. So let's click compare cards. You can't see it here, but above here it has accept the offer, accept the mail offer. But so here are the particular cards. Now I got this card here, okay? So here's some of the requirements. So here's the FICO score. This is for the unsecured, and this over here is for secured, okay? And here are the particular amounts. They do offer increases in their interest rates. Okay, so let's click on apply now. And so this is what it's going to look like, okay, when you start that application process. Now keep in mind, this is for people who are reestablishing their credit. All right? This is what this card is good for those that are reestablishing their credit. All right. For those who are reestablishing credit. Now, keep in mind, success leaves clues as you're on your credit journey. Success leaves clues. And one of the clues that they leave is this: you must become a person of action. You must take daily, massive action. Until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless you. May He smile upon you. May He grant you His favor. And may He continue to give you His peace. This has been James. Have a great week. Take care now.